In today's session, we will discuss about process. What is process? What are the types of process we will discuss? So, in CRM, we have a process. What is process? Process are used to automate the business. Why we use process? Processes are used to automate the business. What are the different types of process we have? One, we have business process flow. Two, we have workflows. Three, we have actions. Four, we have dialogues, but these are going to deprecate. Deprecate means this will be now not useful. As of now, we have dialogue which are supporting, but it is going to be deprecate. Process are used to automate the business, and these are the types of processes. We'll discuss each one. What is business process flow? So, what is business process flow? Why we use business process flow? We will discuss clearly. Okay. So, my trial instance is expired. I have created new one where I don't have different entities here. So we'll try to leverage the system entities and we will discuss about each of the process type. So basically how we will create process will I will show you. So when you navigate to advanced settings, under settings, we can create the process in solution. Also, we can create the process in process center. So we have something called process center where we manage all types of processes in the CRM. Okay. So under settings, we'll go to process center. Under processes, we can see new process that we can create. Okay. The other way is let me create a solution, demo solution. So once we create the solution, under the solution we have a component of type process. Okay. Here also we can create. What happened when we create a process in the solution? This process will be part of the solution, and also this process will be part of process center. But when we create any process under the process center, that won't be a part of solution. We have to manually add. Okay. So let's try to create a new process. If you see the category, we have actions, business process flows, dialogues, okay, and workflows. So today we will discuss about business process flow. What is business process flow? Why we need business process flow? So in CRM, if I go to leads, first I will show you the account or contact. So when we try to create any account or contact in the CRM, we will create a new button which will open account form. So it's a normal account form. We have all these fields and we have timeline section where we will add notes, right? So same way, if I navigate to lead and try to create a new lead. So have you observed this process? We know this. We have tabs and section. Under tabs we have section. Under section we have fields. Okay. So what is that? What is this? You can see in the lead form. You can't see it in the account form. So what is this? This is a business process flow. Okay, business process flow. What is business process flow? Called business process flow as BPF. Business process flows are used to guide the user to follow step by step actions for the business. Business process flows are used to guide the user to follow step by step action for the business operations. So here you can see once we create a lead, by default it will be in the qualify stage. We can move it to develop stage, then proposal stage, then closing stage. Okay. So where exactly we need this kind of business process flow? Let's say when you submit an application for loan, okay, they will not simply grant you the loan, right? So at the initial stage, they will create the application where you will request for some loan amount. They will analyze your salaries, your pay slip, your income. Then they will propose the amount that they can offer. That is second step. In the once the customer confirms to accept that loan amount which is offering the bank, then what bank will do? Bank will start collecting the documents and then they will disperse the loan. So we'll create this kind of a process. Okay. For that we'll create some entities. So I will create application as an entity. Application. My entity name is applications. I want to place this entity in the sales. Okay, as you can see here, process. We have to enable business process flow on this entity because we are going to build a business process flow on application entity. So enable this. If you don't enable this, what will happen is when we navigate to process, when we select the business process, here we don't see that. Okay, because this entity, whatever entity is not displayed over here, that entity is not enabled for the BPF configuration. So make sure whatever entity you want to be part of that business process flow, you have to check this box. Unnecessarily don't check this box for all entities because once you check this, you cannot uncheck. So whatever you can see this icon, right? This icon, all these icon configurations are you cannot revert it back. Means, see, I have a mail merge. I check this and I save this entity. So now application entity is created. Now let's create a couple of fields quickly. So expected loan amount, currency, okay, approved loan amount, is also on currency, salary, currency, employment type, we'll select it as an option set, salaried, business, freelance, others. We keep these options. Email, um, any outstanding loan, two options, loan type, option set, loan, home loan, car loan, we keep these four options. Then what we will do, selected slips, two options, we'll make it required. Bank statements, options, form 16, watch. Okay, so we'll just go to the entity and we'll publish this. We have created our entity with the fields that are needed. Now we'll just go and see here, and we'll go to Dynamics 365 Custom. We have application entity that I have created. So we have only name, and we don't have any business process flow. Now we will enable that business process flow. So what we will do, we'll go to process under solution and we'll click on new process. Process type that we are selecting is business process flow. Application process. We'll select the entity is application. Application. Okay. So once you select the entity, just click OK. Make sure if you don't see that entity, you have to configure the entity as a business process flow. Okay. Now here comes the designer, right? What business process flow contains? DPF contains status. Every stage will have actions. So stages can be entity, action can be fields. Okay. So stages can be created an entity, actions can be fields. Okay. So now let's go to designer. The stage. This stage entity is application. Okay. So stage name I will give as loan details. So as I mentioned, stage will have action. Action is a fields in the entity. Okay. So since this stage is created an application entity, we can select the application fields. So I will give requested loan amount here. Mm, I will give loan type, required, apply. So if you want to add one more action, add data step, add here. Another field, requested loan amount, required, apply. Add data step here. What is the field that you want to type? Loan type we have placed, requested loan amount we have placed, added, and then we'll ask, okay, we'll just keep these two fields. Step name, loan details, and you can select and apply. Okay, and then I will add one more stage here. So here loan details, I will say employee details. Category, I won't say anything. I want to add application entity itself. So we can add other entity also, but as of now, we don't have that requirement. We can add within the same entity. Employment details, category none, application apply, data step select, uh, employment type, make this field required, apply, add, data step, add here, salary. Then I will add another stage. This stage name I will give it as loan details, employment detail, analyze, mm, employment detail, review, loan, since I am using application itself. So here review loan is approved loan amount. So here we would have created another field called interest. While practicing, you can do that. So I will add another stage. I will give the stage name as document section, category none, application entity itself, apply. So here I will add some fields, collected payslip required, add data step, add collected bank statements required, apply, add another data step, add data step, collected payslip bank statement form 16, make it required. Okay, then final stage I will give it as loan category none, application. So here I will select field. Okay, that's it. Simple. So here in between we can apply the conditions. We can do that. As of now, we have created these stages. In every stage, we have added some steps as the actions. Once we do that, click on save, activate, loan type, requested loan. What is the third field we kept here? I'll remove this. it is activated. Let's refresh the application form. You can see business process stage, loan details. When I open this loan detail, I can fill the loan type and the requested loan amount the customer has requested, some 10 lakh rupees. So text loan, save. So here the loan application record is created. For example, you've submitted a request for the loan of this type. Loan type is personal loan and the requested loan amount is 10 lakhs. Now what this bank person, the salesperson will do, they will, whenever any application is created, it will be in the loan stage. So they will move to next stage. In the employment detail, they will collect your information. What type of employment you are holding, whether it is salary, business, freelance, others. Salary. And what is the total salary that you are getting. So for example, you are getting 10 lakhs per annum. So once they update this employment details, click on next stage, they will go to the review. So based on your employment details, what is the loan that you have requested and what the bank can offer, they will update here. So for example, if you are eligible to get the 10 lakh amount, they will approve your loan amount as 10 lakh rupees. And then they will move to next stage. In the document collection, they will get all your documents. So they will check these boxes, go for next stage, and finally you can say you have completed option and you can finish the process. So what this business process is helping the business, this business process helps to follow the business process as a step by step operation. So you cannot directly collect the documents, right? First you have to get the loan details, first you need to verify the employment details, then you have to review the loan, and then you have to go for the document collection. Okay, so here we will do something. So in review loan, for example, you have requested 10 lakh rupees, but your annual package is 5 lakh, and you can only get up to 7 lakh rupees approved loan amount. Now here we will add one stage, is whether the customer wants this loan or not, because he is requesting 10 lakh rupees, the bank is offering 7 lakhs. If he say yes, then only we will collect the document, otherwise don't collect the documents. We'll try to do that. Okay, for that what I have to do, I have to create a field. Okay, I will create a field called inform to get the loan, two options, it's or no. So here I will add one more option in the status field as a completed status. I will add completed. Now you are getting right, when you submit for any loans, they will get your details step by step. How they will do, because their process has been defined. They will follow each and every stage that is already in place. They cannot simply disperse the loan, right? They will follow the process for every customer because they have designed the application that way. Now I have created one field, confirm to get the loan, right? So we'll go to process. The process is already open here. If you want to edit, you have to deactivate. Okay. So here I will, in the review stage, I will add one more field. Okay. Add data step where in the review application. What is the field that I am adding? Confirm to get the loan. Okay. Required. Apply. Now I will, if the customer is confirmed to get the loan, if he say yes, then only I want to collect the documents and I want to complete the application. Otherwise, I don't require it. So how we will do? I have to apply the condition. So click on add a condition. Where you want to add a condition? After review. So here I am adding the condition. What is the condition that I am adding? Any outstanding loan field, I want to use it as a confirm to get the loan. If operator is equals value yes, then only collect the documents. Else, what I need to do? Add add a stage where I will add here. So here loan rejected. Close entity application. The fields I want to have it here is status reason. Similarly, completed, you can add the field as a rejected option. I will just activate while the process contain empty. The process contain empty branches. So till it activates, I will just give you some background. These BPFs are introduced in 2013 CRM. After 2016 CRM, add condition functionality is available. Before that, there is no add condition functionality. After 2016 only, we are getting this. Then limitations of business process flow. What are the limitations? So one entity can have up to 5 business process flows. Okay, in one entity, we can create 5 business process flows, not more than that. Two, one business process flow can have 30 stages maximum. What is stage? This is the stage. Stage one, two, three, right? So those stages we can create 30 stages we can create. The third limitation can link only 5 entities in the BPF. What is the link? I told you, right? Every stage will be created on entity. So if you want to include your business process flow on multiple entities, where you can link only 5 entities. In one entity, you cannot create more than 5 business process flows. In one business process flow, you can have only 30 stages, not more than this. And in one BPF, we can link up to 5 entities. Yeah. Now this is activated. Now let's go back here. We'll create another application. Demo home loan. Okay. So loan type is home loan. Requested loan amount. So 50 lakhs. Next stage. Save. Go to next stage. Employment detail. Salary. So 8 lakhs. Next stage. Review loan. Approved loan amount. So according to his salary, he can get only 30 lakhs loan. Next stage. Document collection. So review loan. So something is happened here. In review loan, we have added the condition. Confirm to get the loan. Why it is not visible? Okay, let me deactivate this. So here condition confirm. Some stage is added extra. I have deleted. Refresh. Okay. So if confirm to get is yes, then we can go for next stage and we will collect the documents and go for the next stage. Else we don't require it. So I have to add status reason field. I have added status, but one while you are practicing, you add the necessary fields in each stage and you can practice.